Well, the 2013 General Assembly has come to an official end, and it's now time to reflect on the ups and downs and the highs and the lows of this session. Each session has its own personality, and this one, of course, was no different. Some of the highs were that we were able to defeat or at least bring some guidance to the Indiana Utility Regulatory Commission as it relates to the Rockport bill, which is an anti-consumer friendly piece of legislation that would affect everyone all across the state, and particularly those in my district. We were able to defeat the TANF drug testing bill, which would have required the state to invest a significant amount of money into a program that by all accounts yields very little meaningful information. We were able to move the discussion on Medicaid and Medicaid expansion, although we did not move it to the extent necessary to find out exactly what our plan will be for the state of Indiana. We certainly did help engage the discussions, and that was a victory, a big victory that will affect a lot of folks who live in Senate District 34 who need health insurance and who need additional insurance coverage. So it's my hope that we will continue to monitor those discussions and those activities over the summer. Some of the lows were the Marion County government reorganization, Senate Bill 621. We were unable to stop that piece of legislation that gives an unprecedented amount of power to the mayor of the city of Indianapolis. So that was a disappointing loss, but again, it's something that we will continue to work on, and we will continue to hopefully have open discussions with the mayor moving in the future. The mass transit bill, although it did not reach a referendum vote this legislative session, it is still alive in a summer study committee. This General Assembly, as with most General Assemblies, was full of a lot of interesting debate and discussion, and the outcomes, we will wait to see how they fare for Hoosiers across our state. We will continue to be working this summer, although the legislature has officially adjourned. There will be, and there were many pieces of legislation this session that resulted in a summer study committee. In particular, I have one that will look at the collection of health information data across the state, as well as numerous other summer study committees that we will be participating in, with the hope of coming out of those summer study committees with legislative ideas and initiatives that will be put forth in the 2014 General Assembly. So while we are through with the debates on the floor, there is still much work to be done, and your Indiana General Assembly members will be doing it all summer long in the hopes that the 2014 session will be beneficial as well.